Hi there, I have a Tai Chi warm-up for you today. It's going to get your body warmed up and moving in a gentle manner. A really great set of Tai Chi warm-up exercises and a really perfect way for seniors or beginners to really warm up their body in a nice, easy and gentle and simple way. Listen to your body, keep everything well within your comfort zone. And because this is a warm-up, we want to keep those exercises and movements small and well within our comfort zone. So just sort of 50 to 75% worth of effort. Keep the style natural, loose, and just easy going. So we're going to get started. Feet hip width apart, nice and natural, everything relaxed and tension free. We're starting warming up the neck, so just turning the head to the side and back to our center here, and let's go the other way. Let's repeat that. Stretching out the neck, we're going to look to the ground. So tucking chin into chest, let's do that again. Keeping the head under control. We're progressing that move. We're going to crunch our hands together, squeeze in, round the shoulders and a little bit of the upper body. And then we're opening out and looking to the ceiling. And let's do that again. So squeezing in, rounding the shoulders, opening out. So moving on to our shoulders, we're going to do 3 shoulder rolls. Taking your time, nice calm breathing. Changing direction. Moving on to our arms. So we're bringing the hands up. We're going to loosen down by bending the elbows. And then this time, palms facing down. And again, just bring the elbows down first. That's palms facing up. Bending and keeping it loose. Repeating that to the side. Relaxing down. Nice big inhale here and exhale as the hands are floating down. For our final one, we're going to take it all the way round. Moving on to our spine, so bending the knees, we're just going to turn from the waist, bringing one hand across the body at the front and the other hand across the body at the back, keeping it nice and small to begin with. I'm going to add a little transfer of weight from side to side, so onto one foot, then onto the other. Now loosen it up a bit more, so letting the arms swing, going a little bit faster. And hopefully loosening the spine, warming up. A really great warm-up exercise, this one. It gets the whole body going. We're going to hold our ball and just settle here. And then taking one hand high, palms lead the way. We're pressing high above the head, pressing down to our imaginary table and stretching through the body, keeping the shoulders down and still keeping everything relaxed. We're going to repeat that on the other side. So bringing the hands down to hold the ball, continuing that movement high to low, stretching up and down. Just let the body sink into the floor and then stretch high to the ceiling. Let's do one more on each side. Moving on to our hips, bringing the hands to our hips. We're going to do our hip circles. So just listen to your own body. Just keep these circles to within your own limitations. It only needs to be a small movement to get those hips loosening, opening up, and the other way. So I'm going to turn my feet out slightly. Again, a good solid foundation. I'm going to bring my heel forwards and I'm going to tap my toe behind me, using my arms to help me balance. You can always place your hand here if you're near a work surface or a wall. And I'm just opening this hip, warming it up. So I'm going to repeat that on the other side. So just a nice solid foundation here, heel forwards and toe back. Again, you can hold a table or a chair to keep yourself balanced. I'm going to step onto that foot. I'm going to push my weight onto it, turning my waist, and I'm tapping out again, opening the hip, stepping down and repeating that the other way. We're going to tap forwards into our empty stance and bringing a nice soft fist forwards. Again, this will help with our balance. Opposite arm to leg. Going to extend that out into a nice lift. Just doesn't have to be high, just gets the legs stretching out. Keeping it gentle. And place those feet back into a nice parallel stance. So we're bringing the hands down, bending the knees, and we're lifting high. And relaxing down. Let's do that again. So nice big stretch, scooping up, stretching high, and again down. Kind of like gathering the chi, but a much bigger movement. Let's do 2 more. And this time, keeping it smaller. Relaxing down. And final one. Let's shake it out, guys. Just give your arms and legs a nice shake, high to low, out to the sides. And again. And just march on the spot. Clench those hands in tight this time and stretch out the fingers. Keeping the marching going. And well done, guys. I'm feeling warmed up, loosened off and ready to go. Check out some of the other videos and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for joining me.